Well, hey guys, welcome back to Learn the Lost Skills. I'm Steve, and today we're talking about eggs. Duck eggs versus chicken eggs. Which one's better? We're going to look into this a little bit. Now, duck eggs been around a long time, very popular all over the world. You know, definitely was through North America in the colonial days. So, let's take a closer look at these guys. I'll crack a couple open. Oh, first tip, a duck egg has a much thicker shell than the chicken egg. So well, right there, it's a good idea. This is a double yolk from the store-bought, the largest size eggs you could buy. And of course that's not going to happen with duck eggs. I've never seen it happen. Let me bring the camera in closer, let you see the difference while we talk about them a little bit. Well, there's a big difference. Look at the size of that yolk. Duck egg yolks generally are much larger than a chicken egg yolk. Even if it's a normal one, not a double. I don't like seeing that. You know, something wrong there. The white is definitely yellowed on the chicken egg, but it's almost clear on the duck egg. And look at that deep, rich color. Along with that size, that comes, you know, there's just more yolk to dip with. And I love dipping into that yolk. That's a fantastic part. The duck egg will have about twice of the vitamins A and B12. It's got more of the good cholesterol. That'll help you out too. That thick shelf, that generally means longer shelf life. If you take your duck eggs from the field, don't wash them. They're going to last longer. There's a coating on there that helps them last longer. Store-bought eggs, nothing you can do about that. So duck eggs generally going to last a little bit longer in your refrigerator. So there's should talk about the proteins in them. There's much more, about twice the protein in a duck egg than there is in a chicken egg. And there's 5 different types. I can't remember the names of them all, the proteins. But an interesting thing is, if you're allergic to chicken eggs, you can probably eat duck eggs, and vice versa. So those are some great points. Another thing, if you're baking, there's something about a duck egg that just makes things a whole lot fluffier. So that's it. Give me an idea in the comments which one you like better. You know, obviously I'm going with a duck egg. These guys run around one of my friends' farms, totally free. These are from Walmart, so you can guess where those chickens are at. Probably why the double yolk too. So anyway, I want you to thank me for stopping by. I hope you subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about this. What do you prefer, the duck egg or the chicken egg? And come back real soon, because we're going to be making a recipe using duck eggs. Talk to y'all later.